Hey, what's going on? My name is Jonathan DeLeon, owner of Next Level Marketing. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do for you to help you generate leads, convert those leads into appointments, and ensure that your sales engine is not only pumping sales, but consistently repeatable, scalable. And I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do that with what I call the Next Level Lead Engine. So, within this lead engine, we've already had our call, or if you haven't had a call yet, book a call right now. But the idea is we're going to help you done for you entirely to help you build out an entire engine that will generate you sales and for you to have an opportunity to use this as a marketing funnel to overall grow your business. So, what the lead engine is this, right? We're essentially going to have people register for an event online. You're going to host a live online event. When the user shows up to the event or they don't show up to the event, so in the case that they don't show up to the event, you're going to provide a recording to them and invite them to the next one. So this whole thing is a loop. So everyone who registers here, they get popped into your loop. When they do show up to the event, they're going to learn 45 to 60 minutes from you on how to solve their problems, because that's what we do in business. We solve problems. At the end of the call, you're going to make an offer. The offer could be, a book a discovery call or a free call, or it could be, sign up for and buy my program or my services. So if they decide not to, then we're going to offer them to join the email list for consistent value, to be top of mind with marketing emails that you can send to them once a week, once a month, even every single day, technically. At the same time, you want to provide them the recording and then still invite them to the next one. If they say yes, you basically make a sale. You get on the discovery call, get on the sales call, and make your sale. So for an accountant per se, you'd be making 15 to 20,000 lifetime value on each person or each client you bring on board. So if you made 15,000, essentially, made 15,000 at that point. So what we do is an entirely done for you system here. I'll walk you what is included with this next level lead engine. Step number one, or what's really, this is in step-by-step order of what we actually are going to build for you, is we're going to strategize your live masterclass topic, title, and content, such as the 5 biggest mistakes that business owners make when doing their taxes each year. That's a pretty significant sort of opportunity. Or the 5 biggest mistakes that digital marketing agencies make when reconciling their books or when hiring for, XYZ. Whatever it is that you do, essentially we can help strategize the proper title and topic for you to do this live event. After that, we have the topic. We're going to build you a custom page for you on your URL to use for registering persons to the masterclass. So we're not sending them to Eventbrite. We're not sending them anywhere else that we can't control the entire flow. We're actually sending them to your website with your brand, where we're going to build a special page specifically for registering a person to the masterclass, which we can now update, improve, add videos to whatever it is that we need to add, testimonials, case studies, whatever it is that we need to add over time to make that convert better. We have the ability to do that now. At the same time, step number 3, after we have your page built, we're going to confirm the date and time for the masterclass. Technically, you could actually pick that date and time while we're building the page, so we actually have something to work towards. And then we're also going to set up, with that date, we're going to set up automated reminders. So we're going to make it super seamless, so that all you have to do is pick a date, and then all of a sudden, every registrant that goes into the system, this lead engine, will get automated reminders. So all you got to do is pick the date, and we're going to help you update providing those reminders to registrants who to attend without you having to email or texting from yourself. We're going to have it all done for you. We're also going to create your ad campaign through Meta, so Facebook and Instagram, for promoting this masterclass. Of course, you don't necessarily need an ad campaign. However, it is beneficial so that you can increase your reach. So if you have the budget to put towards an ad campaign, I would definitely highly recommend it. Or you could just get started with an organic approach, such as getting all your emails, your social media, any contacts you have, ask people to share it around, right? That is absolutely a positive way to grow an event awareness. So we'll help you with your entire setup of the ad campaign. If you never run ads before, don't worry, we run ads for you. If you've never done a video before, don't worry, we'll coach you on exactly what to do, and we'll do the editing. We're basically going to handle that whole entire process for you. Next step, we want to set up to make sure that you have the reporting and tracking to know if this is working for you or if it's not. So what that includes is all the technical stuff, such as like the Facebook pixel, making sure that all of your visits are tracked, all of the registrations is tracked. So you have the data. We provide the CRM. We provide this opportunity for you. It's a marketing CRM. So you can keep your sales CRM if you're using something specific, but it's more of, for this particular campaign, we want to ensure that you have the ability to see what's going on at all times. Step number 6, once we have your ads created, once we have your page created, once you have the content sort of decided, we're going to begin to launch your ads and promote to the email list. This is where we're going to just increase the awareness of the campaign. So we launch and you get your registrations coming in. The next step, the day of the event, we help you create, before the event, we help you create your presentation deck. So we have some templates, we have some abilities to, create and make sure that your content is concise, helpful, simple. And of course, you can do it yourself, but we provide that option as well. And we're going to help you moderate your first masterclass. So it's showtime, right? Now you have registration. It's time to shine. We help you get ready and ensure a seamless and recorded masterclass so that you can use the content for marketing purposes, regardless of the number of attendees. So what that means is, like, you could have one person, you could have 0 people, you could have 100 people. It doesn't necessarily matter who or how many people get onto your masterclass. As long as you do it, it will be an opportunity for you and if we're the marketing agency, to help you support your business further beyond just the lead engine we're building here. Is we can put it up on your YouTube, cut it up into reels, put it up on your social media. Really, the idea is we're going to capture content in a way that's so valuable that will help you, grow. So just a refresher, when a user registers for the event on the page that we're going to build for you, you're going to host that event, and we're going to help you get it all set up. When the user shows up to the event, they're going to learn 45 minutes to 60 minutes from you how to solve their problem. You're going to book a call. They're going to book a call with you. Simple. And then you're going to make a sale. So if your sale value is $15,000 or $20,000, you can get one person going to your event, pay you that money, and now you got $20,000, right? And so and then of course it's repeatable. So like each person that doesn't show up or doesn't book a call, we can get them back into the funnel and just overall rinse and repeat. Your overall list will continue to grow. So this is what to expect when it comes to estimating some value here. So this is the lead conversion mechanism that is repeatable. Essentially, this is what I'm thinking. This is the math. This is the money. Show me the money. I'm showing you the money. So you spend on ads. Let's say you spend $1,000 on advertising for that particular couple weeks or that month, which is, I guess $1,000 for advertising divided by 30. That's about $33 a day. But let's say you only did this for a short period of time, for 14 days, which is 2 weeks. That's $71 a day to really get ramped up and to get it out there, right? So you spend $71 a day or $1,000 on ads. We get a $20 cost per registration. right? Assuming the page converts well, and of course, if we get this down, even better. But that's about 50 people going to your event or registering for your event, which you just collected emails for, you collected information for, how you can follow up with. And then out of the 50 people that went to the event, let's say 10% converted with your offer. So the presentation went well, the event went really well, they resonated with you, they had the problem, and then you converted 10% of those to the offer that you're selling for about $15,000, which would be 5 sales. So if you made $15,000 per sale, that would be a value of $75,000. So overall, the idea is you spend money on ads. Once we have this lead engine together, we spend money on ads. They get time on brand with you live at an event, and then you convert at a 7,500% return on investment. So basically, every $1,000 could turn into $75,000. Insane how easy and simple it looks and sounds, but that is all up to you. There's many areas that would be improved over time the more we do this. And the greatest thing is we build it once, you get to use it over and over and over. So this is our done for you package. We also have an option where we're going to give you access, but you have to build it yourself. But we give you access to all the tools, everything you need. But this is what I say for our done for you. When we build your next level lead engine, we're going to help you build the masterclass. We're going to build your page. We're going to set up the automation. We're going to build your advertisement. We're going to set up the tracking and dashboarding. We're going to launch your ads and help you promote the event. And we're going to help you with the content as well as moderating the live masterclass, ensuring that it goes smoothly as well as it's recorded so that we can use, or you can use, to provide back to the people who did not end up showing up, as well as use it in your marketing. So that's sort of what I got here. Once again, my name is Jonathan DeLeon, owner of Next Level Marketing, where we are going to take your business to the next level. So, if you haven't already, book a call below. Let me know. I'd love to talk you through it, but this is exactly what we can offer. And we have packages and support for all kinds of budgets. So depending on what your needs are, just let me know. All right. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.